We've got cement on all the Jordans now, huh? What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Jordan 10 Cement. Now this colorway is basically a retail release of the Jordan Brand Classic PE pair from earlier this year. The Jordan Brand Classic is held every year and it features the top high school basketball players, and they're given their own special colorway. And for this year they had the Jordan 10. The differences between the two shoes is that there were JBC initials on the back tab for the Jordan Brand Classic, as well as a different patch on the inside of the tongue. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the OG box for the Jordan 10 that Nike's been rolling out for the Jordan 10 releases this year. And the colorway is light smoke gray and black. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe utilizes a mostly tumble leather upper with this cement print graphic all over the shoe. Taking a look at the toe, you have a cement toe with the light smoke gray base and the black and white speckles all throughout the toe cap. You got a black tongue with the embossed Air Jordan 23 logo on the tongue tag. The inside of the tongue tag features the standard Air Jordan Collection patch, which is standard for all Jordan 10 since they retroed in 2012. The left shoe and the right shoe have two different insoles. So the left shoe just is a black insole with the red Jumpman logo, and the right shoe has a white insole with this black arrow design and the number 23. Taking a look at the lateral, you have the cement print upper, as well as the tumble leather overlay that borders around the tongue. For the heel, you got the cement gray design alongside a black Jumpman logo and a black pull tab. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the cement gray upper, as well as the black tumble leather border for the tongue. The midsole follows suit and also has the cement print design, and the outsole is white with the Jordan accomplishments in black and the Jumpman on the heel in red. I really like this colorway. Like the color combination on this shoe is clean enough and it doesn't do too much. With that being said, this pair is still gonna sit because it's a Jordan 10 and Jordan 10s just don't move. But this is definitely a pair that I'm glad is in my collection. The quality on this shoe isn't astounding. It's not notable, but it's decent enough to be passable. And that's all I can ask for a shoe. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The Jordan 10 Cement hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on July 28th for a retail price of $190. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.